A big hello and good evening to everyone. Yes, it's been a while, almost 6 to 7 days since I saw all of you live. Today's live is going to be about a very special person, or should I say a very special family. My name is Khyati Rupani and I am the Chief Nutritionist at balancenutrition.in. What do we do at Balance Nutrition? Well, what we do is we have online diet plans. These diet plans are for weight loss, lifestyle management, and we also take care of a lot of cases dealing with immunity. Today's guest is someone who has suffered from this pandemic, and this pandemic being, of course, she herself, along with her family, suffered from coronavirus, though a milder version. But I have only a million questions for her. She, in fact, was very keen on coming live and telling us all about what happened to her, how did she get it, कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ, each and every detail. Well, Tejal has joined us on Instagram and I am going to invite her and I'm also going to tell her to join us, Whereas on Facebook, we have to still find her. So there we go, Tejal. Okay. Yes, Tejal, I've sent you a request on Instagram. I am waiting for you to come on Facebook also. Okay. Yes, Tejal, hi, Kim Che.
Hi, fine.
Wait, Tejal, are you getting an invitation even on Facebook?
No, I haven't received.
Acha, can you see me live on Facebook?
No, I cannot.
Just see me live, find me. Go just find me.
Yeah, sure. 1 sec.
If Harsh can help you. Harsh, can you watch the live? Facebook live, can you just get her on Facebook, please?
He's trying.
Acha, okay. So Tejal, you look so fit and you look so fine. Touch wood. When Vishal told me that Tejal and her family had a brush with COVID, I got only very worried, But then he said, nah, you should look at Tejal. She's absolutely fit and fine. Okay.
Yeah, we all are fine.
Very good. So Tejal, my first question to you is only one. How did you guys know? What was that symptom or how did it all start? How did you even think कि मुझे COVID हुआ?
Actually, सिर्फ मेरे बेटे को, my son had COVID. Yeah, we can now. Yeah, okay, now he got fever. And then
Did you on Facebook?
Request for Facebook now. Okay. Turn on channel. 1 sec. Okay. Okay.
Excellent. Perfect. Harsh, we'll wait. Don't worry. Yeah, Harsh, I think it's okay. Tejal, they can still hear you on Facebook. So it's okay, Harsh. Never mind. Yes. They can hear you on Facebook. We are all good. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Perfect. So tell me, son को कैसे पता चला कि son को COVID हुआ?
Actually, he had fever for 2 days. और उसके बाद fever चला भी गया. So like we were not worried because what happens if COVID or हमको not possible. That is what everybody thinks. Even we thought that we are taking kadas, we are gargling, we are taking hot water, we are taking turmeric milk, we take medicines, and हमें तो नहीं हो सकता COVID. Like that we thought. But after 2 days, he lost his taste and he lost his smell. And then he told me, Mama, I can't smell anything and I can't get the taste also. I said, okay, चलो हम लोग डॉक्टर को पूछते थे. मैंने मेरे फैमिली डॉक्टर को फोन किया and I told him कि दीप को taste और smell नहीं है. So he said that this is the particular case of COVID. That means you have COVID.
Correct.
And it was horrible. I mean, I was really under tension. And next day, because this being a town, we cannot go immediately for the checkup.
So Tejal, आप कहाँ से हो? आप कहाँ से हो? Where are you from?
We are from Loha. It's a small town in Raigad district.
Loha. So everyone
yeah,
watching,
Loha is a small.
Everyone watching us on Tejal is from Loha. It is very interesting how someone from Loha. Roha. She is from Roha, a small district. And what she so far told us is that her son had symptoms of fever. And despite having all the kadhas, despite having all the haldi, सब कुछ होने के बावजूद भी तब आपको ये लग रहा था कि नहीं, हमें कभी कोविड हो ही नहीं सकता. लेकिन जब आफ्टर फीवर गोइंग डाउन, द बिगेस्ट सिम्टम वाज कोई टेस्ट नहीं था और कोई स्मेल नहीं था. This is how I think Tejal's doctor realized that the younger son has COVID, right, Tejal?
The elder one.
Elder one. The younger one is hers. Acha.
The elder one is Deep. And then the next day, when we were going to check, हम लोग जब Deep को check करने जा रहे थे, in the morning, Harsh also got fever. तो फिर दोनों को लेके गए. And on 21st, we got a check for both of them.
21st May? 21st May?
21st June.
अभी हुआ है मतलब.
अभी हुआ. Then 24th को result आया. Because this being a town, हमारे यहाँ पे नहीं होता है checkup. We have to send for the swab test यहाँ पे होता है. But then checkup is done at Bombay.
तो मेरे को एक बात बताओ तेजल, आपको कोई मुश्किल हुई क्या ये लाने के लिए कि आपको कोई हॉस्पिटल में आपको टेस्ट कराया गया? मतलब यू हैड ऑल द फैसिलिटीज, आप गए, आपको सीधा सीधा टेस्ट मिला करने को, आपको स्वैब टेस्ट किया और सैंपलिंग भेज दिया उन्होंने मुंबई
JJ hospital.
JJ hospital.
यहाँ से everything goes to JJ hospital and okay, यहाँ पे we have the facilities. I mean they really help. Being a small town, we really were helped very nicely by the government.
तो ये गवर्नमेंट ने आपको हेल्प किया था, it is not private help.
Yeah. The result came on 24th. 24th को result आया that they both are positive. जैसे result आया हमें सुबह पता चला and after 2 hours the entire family, we are 10 of us, तो हम लोग सारे गए. बाकी के 8 लोग हम लोग swab test के लिए गए and out of 8, 3 were negative, rest all were positive. So totally 7 were positive from our house.
और ये 7 कौन-कौन थे? उनके एज क्या थे?
I 50 years. My husband 51 years. My elder one 22 years. The younger one is 18 years. My sister-in-law, she's 45 years. और मेरा nephew, he's 32 years. His wife 31 years. We all was totally 7 of us.
तो सबसे बड़े आप और आपके हस्बैंड थे 50 and 51.
हाँ, we were lucky that मेरे जेठ और जेठानी को नहीं हुआ. They were aged. और मेरे देवर को नहीं हुआ because he has diabetes, he has high BP, तो we were worried for him. तो उन लोगों को नहीं हुआ.
But तेजल, अगर आपको मैं पूछूं कि आप लोग साथ में रहते हो, साथ में खाना वाना खाते होंगे, तो आपके पास करेक्ट कोई रीजन है कि उनको नहीं हुआ, कि वो 2 दिन बाहर थे या क्या हुआ क्या?
नहीं, we are staying together. In fact, my देवर and देवरानी sleeps in the same room. लेकिन मेरे देवरानी को हुआ, मेरे देवर को नहीं हुआ. Maybe उनकी immunity ज़्यादा अच्छी है. उन तीनों की immunity शायद ज़्यादा अच्छी है.
और वो आपसे भी बड़े हैं.
नहीं, we were taking more precautions for them.
I know, ताकि उनको ना हो.
More precautions.
Okay.
Because we were more worried for them, we were taking more precautions for them.
और उनको नहीं हुआ, और फिर गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया? आप लोगों को पॉजिटिव सब टेस्ट आया तो गवर्नमेंट का कोई रोल था कि क्या हुआ फिर?
हाँ, because we came positive. हमारा घर है, but it's just not a bungalow ना. So they said you will have to shift to CCC, COVID Care Center.
कोविड
You
केयर
all don't
सेंटर.
have center, yeah. You all don't have the facility what we got here. Not even in the big cities, you know. Here we have a beautiful COVID care center. I uploaded a picture and a video on the Facebook. It's beautiful. The facilities also were very good. In the morning we were getting breakfast. After breakfast we were getting eggs. Then we were getting lunch. After lunch we were getting fruits. Then dinner, and in the end we were getting haldi ka doodh.
वाओ.
And
और आप लोगों को कोई चार्जेस दिए? डिड दे चार्ज यू एनी?
no. There were no charges, and every day in the morning they used to give us new mask. They told us to throw that mask and they used to give us new mask without any charges. And the best thing is the greenery. The place where we used to stay, the greenery was awesome. The place was awesome.
आपके हाइजीन फैक्टर्स का क्या था? आपके कपड़े कैसे धुलते थे? आप लोगों का बात कैसे होता था?
नहीं, that we used to do everything. There's a hostel. Actually, there's a place called Killa. We have a hostel there. Shetki Shala. There's a school there, and there's a hostel there. So we used to wash our clothes.
Wow.
We used to clean up everything. We were the thing was not much. The COVID thing was very less. In fact, it is said that if you don't have the taste and the smell, that is the lowest COVID possible.
सबसे लोएस्ट, it's not dreadful. Okay, you are the mildest version.
The mildest version.
लेकिन आपको पता चला तेजल कि वो हुआ कैसे? मतलब
नहीं.
you all were all taking precautions, you all were having your card, you all are from a small town. हमारे जैसा भी नहीं है कि नीचे उतरो तो 100 लोग मिले, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं, फिर भी you know this is going to happen to each and everyone. This is going to happen to around 80 to 85% people. People shouldn't get scared unless until you have your oxygen level proper. If you're checking your oxygen level every day, nothing is going to happen. Only 0.5% death. तो ज्यादा नहीं है ना. That is not more.
रोड एक्सीडेंट में भी इससे ज्यादा है परसेंटेज.
से ज्यादा परसेंट. And I'll tell you, मैंने बहुत पढ़ा. Once they went ना my kids, तो 21st से 24th तक में my condition was horrible. तो मैंने बहुत पढ़ा. जब मैंने पढ़ा, I came to know कि people don't die of corona only. People die because of the panic attacks they get, because of the heart attacks. सिर्फ सुना कि कोविड हुआ और हार्ट अटैक से people die. तो I advise everybody stop watching news.
सही बात है.
making you more scared.
सबसे नेगेटिव है हमारी न्यूज. Yes. So Tejal's first advice to all of us is to stop watching the news and the COVID numbers. क्योंकि कोविड तो हमको अफेक्ट करते करेगा, लेकिन उसके पहले हमको एंजाइटी अटैक आ जाएगा और हमको पैनिक अटैक आ जाएगा कि हमको कोविड हुआ है.
21st से 24th तक मेरी जो कंडीशन थी ना, I don't want कि कोई भी पेरेंट्स की ऐसी कंडीशन हो. It was horrible because I had the habit of watching news and the numbers. How many people died? I had that habit. And that is why it affected somewhere. For 3 days, I haven't had the food. I haven't slept because both my kids' result was not out.
एक माँ होने के नाते भी पता चल ही रहा है कि क्या होता होगा.
It was horrible. It was horrible.
लेकिन ये फीवर जो है, even we are trying to figure out as nutritionists के most of it is only and only due to the current existing comorbidities. डायबिटीज जब हुआ तब इतने नहीं डरे आप, तब ज्यादा डरने की जरूरत थी. ब्लड प्रेशर हुआ तो हम हंसी का मजाक में लेते हैं. एक डायबिटिक आज हंसी मजाक में एक ये ले लेता है, क्या कहते हैं, एक रसगुल्ला खा लेता है कि नहीं मुझे डायबिटीज है तो क्या हुआ, सी आई एम ईटिंग अ रसगुल्ला. वो बहुत बड़ी जोक बन रही है आजकल, बट एक्चुअली कम टू थिंक ऑफ इट कि वो जोक नहीं है. उसके मुकाबले कोविड तो जरूर एक जोक ही है. आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. इफ यू आर हेल्दी, कोविड इज जस्ट लाइक अ फ्लू.
It is like a flu. It is only a simple flu. It is dangerous for the people of old age, diabetic, and asthma patients.
क्योंकि आपका ऑक्सीजन लेवल अच्छा होना चाहिए. अगर ऑक्सीजन लेवल ही अच्छा नहीं है तो फिर ऑफ कोर्स यू विल गेट अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड बॉडी, एंड विद दैट कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड बॉडी एंड कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड सर्कुलेशन हार्ट पे असर पड़ना ही है. ये पता है तेजल, ये काफी सारी डिजीजेस में होता है. when a person is hospitalized post surgery also, the risk they say ना कि एक रिस्क है और हमको एक फॉर्म साइन कराते हैं, वो रिस्क हर चीज में है. when it is medical, that if your oxygen levels are going to go down or if you're going to get a panic attack, white collar hypertension होने वाला है, आपको उससे ज्यादा बच के रहना है, and not because of only COVID. So now तेजल, tell me, आप कितने दिन वो केयर सेंटर में रहे? How many days were you there?
वहाँ पे we stayed for 5 days. On the 6th day, we came out.
अच्छा, and
one more thing, listen, Kathy. My son, the younger one, Harsh, he got the typhoid report earlier. They did the blood checkup also because he had fever. He had 103 fever. So they did the typhoid checkup, blood checkup, and he got typhoid. So then when we were giving typhoid medicines, in the hospital they said don't give because this is a false symptoms. When you have corona or COVID-19, these are the false symptoms that they show typhoid, they show malaria, they show dengue. These are actually not the symptoms. The actual is corona.
तो wrong medication भी काफी हम we are all into also all kind of wrong medication sometimes which are going to affect us badly. तो ये भी एक point हमें आज सीखने मिल रहा है कि wrong, whatever is a wrong medication, if we take that, that is also going to be a lot more harmful, even that, see. And then you guys were like, नहीं, इसको कुछ नहीं देना है हमको, because there is no reason to panic and there is no reason for anything like that. I understand. Perfect. फिर बाहर निकल के क्या प्रिकॉशंस लिए और आपको वापस टेस्ट कौन सा करवाया? स्वैब टेस्ट ही कराया कि क्या कराया?
नहीं, कोई टेस्ट नहीं होता यहाँ पे, नहीं होता. इन बॉम्बे एंड इन सिटीज दे डू ब्लड टेस्ट टू चेक वेदर यू हैव antibodies and all is generated or not. But here in Goa, it is not possible. So no checkups. But they say that after 14 days, you're okay. And I feel we all are okay now. It's been a month now. Today is the month.
Wow. और फिर घर आके आपने क्या क्या precautions लिए तेजल? What did you do when you came home?
We are only taking Zincovit.
Okay.
That is the medicine. Only Zincovit once in a day. Still we are taking steam. The best way my sir taught me to take the steam is take some left nose and remove from right nose. How we do Anulom Vilom. And then take the steam from nose, remove it from your mouth, and then we take it from mouth and remove it from our nose. At least we take it for 10 minutes in a day.
Wow. तो आपने कोई मतलब आपका क्योर मेडिसिन फ्री है क्योंकि जिंकोविट है, वो तो एक सप्लीमेंट है.
But there was no medicines there also. We were given, in the COVID care center, we were given vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. There are no other medicines.
Oh wow, आपकी immunity बढ़ा रहे थे.
बढ़ा रहे. And once we came home, we are taking only Zincovit, nothing else.
Excellent. लेकिन खाने में आपने कोई changes किए या anything that you attribute to good eating, or were you eating healthy or what? Anything changed marginally or even a big time?
We are good juice. So we take proper food. We take chapati, bhaji, हम लोग दाल, भात, चटनी, everything we take. तो हमें और कोई precaution लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. हाँ, बाहर का food बंद.
Okay, आप बाहर का food बंद है. आप order भी नहीं करते अभी?
नहीं, यहाँ पे hotels भी बंद है.
Okay, all right. और आपने कोई specific juice पिया हो या आपने कोई specific डाइट या कुछ करा हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ ओनली योर सुपर फूड्स के सुबह काढ़ा पिया है या सुबह अभी भी आप जो कुछ फॉलो कर रहे हो या अभी आप नॉर्मल खाते हो?
नहीं, अभी हम लोग नॉर्मल खाते हैं. काढ़ा बहुत हो गया, वो काढ़ा बहुत गर्म. नाउ वी आर इम्यून.
हाँ,
आवर इम्यूनिटी इज प्रॉपर नाउ. तो हम लोग काढ़ा नहीं लेते अभी, लेकिन हाँ स्टिल वी टेक हल्दी का दूध. एंड हाँ, हमने बहुत सारे ड्रैगन फ्रूट और कीवी खाए, बहुत खाए.
Vitamin C and a lot of other minerals. Okay.
Yeah, and still we take, every day we take lemon water in hot water. We take lemon every day in the morning.
Correct.
Everybody.
Correct. Perfect. Okay, Tejal, it was lovely talking to you. Thank you for sharing. You look so radiant. I hope your entire family has recovered very well. and we are very, very happy to have you. Until then, bye. Thanks for talking to all our viewers. Bye, Tejal. Thanks. And as we say, pachi phone karu tane.
Sure. Okay.
Bye. So that was Tejal, who was discussing her case of addressing COVID. And since she's a Gujarati and from a small town, she did not have the issues that we have, starting from pollution, starting from all other issues. What we also have started doing is we have started making sure that we are now talking only and only and only of unlock and how you can be fit and how you can be fine when it comes to unlock. Now, if I have any questions that I get, I will be answering them, be it on weight loss. Anjana, hi, how are you? Did you enjoy the video of Tejal? She and her entire family were living in Roha and they all battled COVID. अब देखो सब बोलते हैं ICU and this and that. I'm good. They say, ICU होगा, hospitalization होगा. But then as we realized, three things that she taught us was news देखना बंद करो, numbers देखना बंद करो. Second thing she said was not everybody, or for that matter, majority of them don't end up in the ICU. And what she also told us was she depended only. Yes, Gurmeen, hi, how are you? I hope you are maintaining your weight. I know you're my old client. The most important part she said was that लोग COVID से तो नहीं injure हो रहे हैं या COVID is not the cause of as many deaths as being a diabetic or a hypertensive or getting a panic attack is, right? So having said that, now I want to understand if any of you have any questions regarding unlock. Few days back I had released a video on how to start getting ready for unlock. आप लोगों को पता है, most of you are going to go and face the world outside. Even in Mumbai, we have started seeing that there are a lot of cars. In fact, पता है हमारे यहाँ तो we have what do we call traffic jams, and we have our roads and our highways fully jammed up. Still we are seeing luckily that the cases are reducing. अब आपको भी कभी ना कभी घर के बाहर निकलना है. रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज हैविंग अ लॉट मोर लिबर्टीज, आई नो. घर में से अगर आपको बाहर निकलना है तो आपको सिर्फ एक ही चीज करनी है. देखो मैंने एक वीडियो भी डाला है कमेंट्स में, टॉप टिप्स टू बूस्ट योर इम्यूनिटी इन द पोस्ट लॉकडाउन पीरियड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट अगर आपने देखा होगा, you will be realizing only one thing, and that one thing was the talk about vitamins. Everyone is having their vitamins and minerals in place. Wrong. So when we are talking about vitamins, सबसे बड़ा role play करता है vitamin C. Why vitamin C is so talked about? Vitamin C is like अगर आप एक लड़ाई के लिए जाते हो, when we see Bahubali, don't you see they wear that entire suit which prepares them from the battle? Okay, what suit is going to be your lifesaver jacket. Vitamin C does something just like that. Okay, free radical damage बचाता है और हमारी immunity को top पे रखता है. Vitamin C, how do you get it? Can you tell me anyone? किसी को पता है vitamin C diet में apart from lime water कैसे मिलता है? The only thing is you keep sprinkling lime on any dish you think will take that lime. That is the easiest, sundar, sasta, tikau way of getting your vitamins in place. Yes, can you beat that? Sundar, sasta, tikau method. If you are eating apples, I sprinkle a good dose of lime on it. If I'm having my salad, I'm sprinkling lime on it. If I am having even poha, I'm sprinkling lime on it, right? The other most, the other rich sources of vitamin C are amla and something which we all love, orange juice. But agar abhi aapko orange juice canned पीना पड़े, the tinned or the canned or the packet ones, I would say avoid it. Let's live with, nimbu and the other vegetables that are around it. If there is anyone having any question on diabetes, or if there is anyone having any question on any other part, I'm waiting for the next 5 seconds to answer your questions. Gurmeen has written, I'm maintaining, but I still want to lose more. What are you waiting for? We still have a lot of time in our hands. Most of us are working from home. So ensure that you are making this work. Yes, she's saying she's using NRC 1000. Yes, you also can take as many over-the-counter supplements as possible. However, just make sure that you are speaking to an expert first, who in India should be a doctor. When it now comes to weight and infections, I just read, and I keep reading this, and I've been reading this for the last 20 years, that the higher the weight, the higher your risk of developing any disorder, right? वेट की वजह से स्ट्रेस की वजह से कोविड से भी आई वुड कॉल डायबिटीज समथिंग मोर डेंजरस देन COVID if it is an age group of below 40 or below 50 also. It is these lifestyle disorders that harm us, okay? Or it is these lifestyle disorders that will not allow us to live peacefully and live happily, right? When it comes to any other disorder, there is only one part which we have to take care of, and that is hamara khana. Yesterday, in fact, I was reading, PCOS. 1 out of 3 women today have PCOS, and PCOS की वजह से जो डैमेज होता है हमारे ऑर्गन्स को, हमारे यूट्रस को, स्पेशली इन द females, that can be easily battled by vitamin E, coenzyme Q10 and your B complex vitamins, जो हम डाइट में हमेशा प्लान करते हैं. Similarly, did you know that diabetes can be prevented just by making sure that you are having a very, very good diet which is rich in fiber and which is rich in all your vitamins and minerals? So, say 10 to 15%, but 85 to 90% of what you are putting in your mouth. Does that mean Himalaya jaake rehna? Not asking any of you to go and stay in the Himalayas, I am just asking you to ensure that you're eating smart. So today, if there is pav bhaji, being made at home, how do you think you're going to manage the pav bhaji well? If you wants to lose weight, has diabetes, has thyroid, has acidity, what you should be doing is you should be taste आता है. You should be taking your bhaji, all right? And in place of the other pav, you should take one big bowl of cabbage, cucumber, capsicum, kothmeer, and tomato, sprinkle it with lime, and make sure you are balancing out that meal. Not only did you get pav bhaji, but you got a lot of fiber and vitamins for free, right? Now, if I have to talk to you about tweaking your breakfast a little bit, agar aaj breakfast mein take that breakfast and make it everyone. For हमें सबसे पहले तो घी, oil, don't whatever you feel like. नाश्ता जगह you can fruit खाना है. If you're not diet, yet being very, very easy is fiber and lack of physical activity. है पता है क्योंकि हम लोग जो खाना खा रहे हैं, all of us are taking the easy way out. बिस्किट्स बढ़ गए हैं, पैकेज फूड्स बढ़ गए हैं, रवा उपमा is there instead of a dalia उपमा. On fiber we are eating chopping कौन करे? It is so boring, right? So vegetables की chopping हम कहते हैं चलो यार, isn't it? We are consciously or subconsciously deleting a lot of fiber from our diet. So bowels कैसे काम, and what are you doing? We are all sometimes when I'm in deep work, I also tend to go a little, slouchy, and then I remind myself this is also a reason we are constipation, but the most reason is the lack of water intake. आपको आपकी water intake का ध्यान रखना ही है. You have to ensure that your water intake is not compromised. If you are not feeling thirsty, पता है, most of us have destroyed the thirst signal in the body. हमको जब भूख लगती है ना तब हम जागते हैं कि ओ, और भूख भी जब ज्यादा लगती है तब. So body has n number of times told us प्यास लगी है, थोड़ा पानी ले लो, थोड़ा पानी ले लो, लेकिन क्या हो रहा है, we are not getting into the habit of drinking that much water. Just control these three things and you will be fine with your constipation. Okay, lovely life always is asking me, should we eat grains and fruits together? क्यों नहीं? If you want to separate them, then I think they are it's an Ayurvedic. If you ask me, अगर हम इतने बिजी है तो आई कांट टेल समवन दैट आप सुबह नाश्ता करो, फिर आप एक फ्रूट लो, फिर आप एक लंच लो, फिर आप एक स्नैक लो, दूसरा स्नैक लो. So sometimes it is easier to whip things up together. And yes, food combination in the Ayurvedic form is very different from what we deal with. Okay, so you have to make sure that we are absolutely going safe on your other instruments, especially food consumption. Is there any other question that anyone else has? Or hi Falguni, how are you? I hope you lost good weight. There was one question that was asked, that what happens when someone with COVID is hospitalized and got back home? Nothing happens when somebody has gone to the hospital and come back alone. And come back home. No, what you have to do is when you're back home, you just have to make sure, okay, and you taking care of yourself in terms of your hydration, your vitamin C, your B complex vitamins, and har rasta bas. Question, what do we do if we have a lot of gas? सबसे पहले तो आप ये डिसाइड करो कि आप डाइट में क्या खा रहे हो that is causing you that gas. Okay, a lot of us get gas because of one very very common reason, and that is not chewing our food enough. Do you know that? Yes, that is one big reason of getting gas. We don't chew our food enough. The other set of people are those जो अपना खाना जल्दी जल्दी खाते हैं. Those who are speedy quick eaters, okay, they tend to get a lot of gas. All right, now there is one more question that has come. What's this gajar beej and benefits? I'm sorry, I didn't understand your question. Fitness and fun, but yeah, if you can repeat that question again. However, I hope gajar beej and benefits. No, I'm sorry, I can't understand. How do we take leva seeds for hair? Do you mean flax seeds? Flax seeds for hair or flax seeds for your skin? Both of them are only and only best consumed when they are oral. Okay, what I do is I tend to add flax seeds in my cereal in the morning, or when I'm making a roti, I am adding flax seeds in it. Okay, this is how I add flax seeds in my entire family's diet. Having said all this, you should be now ready for another live that is going to be involving a lot of women who are between the age of 28 and 45. So if you have any questions relating to thyroid, PCOS, post-pregnancy weight loss, pregnancy, all of it, all right. Aleve and Halim, oh, you're talking about garden cress seeds, Love Life. Garden cress seeds are Aleve and they are the highest source of iron. Again, same like flax seeds, put them in your atta or put them in your breakfast cereal in the morning. Or if you are a person who drinks smoothies, अपनी कोई smoothie में भी वो डाल सकते हो आप. All right. I think I will see you guys now on 25th or earlier if time permits But yes, we will wait for a lot of questions from you. Until then, it's a big bye from Khyati Rupani and Team Balance. Bye bye. Take care.